The crypto crash will make millionaires. What's up, guys? How's it going? Zoltaiv here, aka John. The crypto crash will make millionaires. Go ahead and stay tuned to the end of the video to go ahead and find out. We are going to go ahead and cut straight to it and let you guys know what's going on and how millionaires will be made during the biggest bull run in history. But before I do go ahead and move forward, I do want to go ahead and say I am not a financial advisor. Anything I do say or talk about in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only, alright guys? Always invest in what you're willing to lose and always buy the dips. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and check this out. So what am I talking about? The crypto crash will make millionaires. And I just spoke about the biggest bull run in history, right? So what am I really talking about? So let's go ahead and hit the charts and look at the sentiment of the market, what's really going on. This is not a typical video that I usually do. You know, I'm always announcing projects or doing a preview of what's going on. But with the week starting, you know, the stock market is going to be closed tomorrow, Monday. So, you know, the crypto market does not sleep, guys. You know, we're open 24/7, regardless of what happens. You know, no holidays, no days off. So I want to go ahead and keep everybody informed with what's going on. I want everybody to go ahead and start their week the best way. You know, Monday is one of the best days of the week because that is one of the best days that you can go ahead and kind of reflect back on your previous week and kind of, you know, work on what you should actually go ahead and execute the following week. So it's like a full refresh, reset of the week. So whatever happened last week, whether you didn't do a trade successfully, or you were late to work, you woke up late, you didn't go to the gym, or you ate junk food and you were supposed to be on a strict diet, just go ahead and start the week fresh. All right, that's what I like Monday. Though Monday is one of the days to go ahead and leave all the BS behind of what happened prior week and go ahead and start fresh this week and just go ahead and run to your goals, whatever those goals are for you guys. But let's go ahead and get started. Enough with that talk. Let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin. So what am I talking about, right, guys? So, there is a lot of massive fear going on with the wars that are currently going on at the moment. Just always remember, guys, there's never going to be one day in life in this universe that we live in that there's going to be good news going on. Unfortunately, that's the way a lot of things are moved. Fear is one of the biggest tactics to go ahead and use to go ahead and have more control over us, with whether that's on trading or whether that's whatever the case is. Fear is always going to be pushed, and there's always going to be a new fear tactic week after week after week. So this market's never going to be stable. Just to let you guys know, I'm a very positive person, but let's go ahead and be honest. Who's in control at the end of the day, right, guys? You never go ahead and turn on the news and see something positive, right? It's always negativity. People, for some reason, are gravitated towards negative things, and that's what sells. If people talk bad about a situation in the news, that's what's going to have the most clicks, right, guys? Sort of like with the title you guys are seeing. That's hopefully that attracts more people, but I'm using that to go ahead and get your guys' attention and turn it into a positive, right? So I want to go ahead and let everybody know, stay calm. I think we're doing really well. We're going to go ahead and do some TA on how the market's looking at. If we go ahead and switch over to the 15-minute, we did break multiple supports, which is definitely not good, guys. We do not want to go ahead and see that massive dump that we just had. It is not a good indicator, but I'm here to go ahead and say that I think we're still looking very good and very bullish. I think we are still on our plan with what's going on. If we look at the 15-minute chart, it's looking pretty decent. If we go ahead and head over to the 1 hourly, it did break once resistance that we were struggling for a while, so that's looking pretty good so far. Do expect for a pullback on the 1 hourly chart to drop down to 38,000 and then go ahead and have a bounce back up. So we'll probably see something like this, dump right here on this little line and then go back up. So do expect that. We are currently overbought on the 1 hourly. If we go over to the 4 hourly, we are looking really good. Like I said, we did break that resistance, which is looking pretty good. Now the main goal is to go ahead and hold above that purple line where I put that circle, which will be around $40,000. So we definitely do want to go ahead and see Bitcoin go back up to $40,000 as quickly as possible. It is pretty urgent because if we cannot hold above that, it is not going to look good, guys. We might even enter a bear market. I don't think we will. I think this market will continue to go up higher and will be one of the biggest bull runs in crypto history, seeing Bitcoin hitting over 100,000 possibly by the end of the year, maybe even sooner. All right. So go ahead and continue to watch because I do have some tools that will go ahead and help you identify those and get a better perspective of what's going on. All right, guys. So this is not just coming out of my head. It's actual some facts with the predictions that we could go ahead and do here together. And like I said, it's not financial advice at the end of the day. So look at the one day at the daily. We did, like I said, we were right here. We did get rejected at 44,000. We just couldn't break above 45,000. So what happened? We broke down. We broke multiple supports, which is not good, guys. And then we tried to do a reversal, and again, it got rejected. So far, the bulls are winning on us. But on the daily, we are currently oversold right now. And we should be seeing this bounce back up, and then we should be back at making all-time highs, guys. So like, don't even worry. Expect this thing to go. Probably by the end of this week, we might be back at like making new all-time highs, previous new all-time highs. Like I said, 45 or 47,000. But if we do go ahead and we can hold support on 37,000, do expect for it to drop. And if it does drop even further, we could be expecting a bear market, guys. But like I said, I don't think that's going to be the case. If we go ahead and look at that weekly chart, we are looking really good still so far. We are still in major support, which is $37,000. Like I told everybody, guys, we can't continue to always go up. I don't know why people get scared when we have these little dumps. We can't always keep moving to the upside, guys. Keep that in mind. So right now our next target will be 50,000. That's what we really need to go ahead and hit. Once we go ahead and hit 50,000, we will be looking extremely bullish, and we are oversold again on the weekly, guys. We've been oversold since December, and they still continue to push it to the downside. Why? Why does that keep on happening? I do not know, but if you guys can remember, I was talking about February, mid-February to the beginnings of March being a reversal for Bitcoin. And check this out, guys. It is playing out so far. We are looking at the monthly. We've been nothing but on a downtrend for the past 3 months. Since November, we've been on a downtrend. What does that mean? Like I said on my prediction, mid-February, beginning March, we should be seeing an upside of crypto. So check this out. If we go ahead and see that doji candlestick right there, that's a reversal pattern. So the month is going to look like it's going to end really good, and we will be seeing massive push to the upside. 47,000 is really our point to go ahead and break above it. So let's go ahead and check out the projects that we've currently been talking about on the channel. A lot of them are really down. Cat Girl seems to be doing pretty good. Let's see, Runs Down. These are other projects that I'll be talking about shortly, so we haven't spoken about those. Astro is down massively. Go ahead and buy the dip, guys. Sriracha Inu took a little hit. But like I said, guys, we get paid when it goes up and down because of the ETH reward. So it doesn't matter to us if people are paper handing. We still go ahead and make money on that end. Okay, guys? So look at that. It has broke multiple supports, but it looks like it found its new support. So that is looking really good. If you guys are looking for entry, go ahead and jump into that. This video is not about Sriracha Inu, so let's go ahead and flip over. But I just wanted to show you guys that almost everything's red currently in the market. And we go ahead and look at the fear and greed index, what it pretty much does is that it gives us information about how the market is reacting overall. Right now, we are currently in extreme fear as of now. So as of yesterday, last week, and last month was extreme fear. So what happens when there's extreme fear, guys? You guys should go ahead and buy the dips, all right? Before I do go ahead and move any further, I do want to go ahead and say thank you to our sponsor, MetaFest 22. You guys should be seeing it now. Yeah, we actually got the Kronikz team in there. So MetaFest will have Krypto Kronikz in there for you guys. So that is really cool. And before I do go ahead and move any further, guys, I do have these two tools. I definitely want you, one more tool I want you guys to go ahead and check out so you guys can feel comfortable with what's going on with the market. So go ahead and stay tuned, all right, guys? So let's go ahead and look at the tool that I'm talking about, right? It's called the Rainbow chart of Bitcoin. So we spoke about this multiple times in the channel, and if you have never seen this, guys, go ahead and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and stay tuned with these news that we have in the market. So when we hit the top was back in November, right? When we hit $69,000. I think it was $69,000. Was it 69,000? I can't remember the top of Bitcoin. I'm not sure if it was 69 or 60. Yeah, 69,000. So 69,000, this rainbow chart pretty much tells you in colors where the market currently is. So right now we are currently at still cheap and accumulate. So you guys should be accumulating right now, guys. For everybody saying that the bull market is over, I am getting sick and tired of it. Everybody thinks we are in a bear market. Everybody's getting fearful. When everybody begins to think that, guys, that's when you guys should be buying the dip on all the coins you guys really believe in and you guys are looking to accumulate. Think about it like a Black Friday sale, guys, or a clearance section. When your favorite items are on sale, don't you guys stock up on those items? It's the same thing, same concept you guys should be going for. Do not go ahead and buy high and sell low. A lot of people go ahead and do that. It's supposed to be the other way around. You buy low, sell high. So you buy the fear and you sell the greed. You don't buy greed and sell the fear. It doesn't work that way, guys. You guys, that's the way to lose money. You have to go ahead and, like I said, buy the fear, sell the greed, okay? So if you guys look at prior bull runs that we had back in 2013, we did hit that one top, which was when Bitcoin hit $230, it tanked. That was in the red section. Same thing when we hit 2013 when Bitcoin first hit $1,000. It was over on the maximum bubble territory. It tanked again. And then back in 2017 when Bitcoin first saw 19,000, it was in the maximum bubble territory and it tanked. So what is going on here? We have not even hit the greed level yet. The highest we've hit was FOMO. And is this a bubble? And that's it. And people began to sell. People got fearful before we even had the run up, guys. So we have not even started the biggest bull run in history that we will see before all these markets crash. So check this out. Currently, right now, we are at still cheap and accumulate. We will be seeing, I strongly believe we should be seeing 100,000 Bitcoin possibly by the end of the year, guys. I think after we break above 50 to 60,000, guys, it's off to the races. All these projects are going to be mooning to the moon, and we should be seeing 80,000 very shortly. I think 100,000 is very possible by the end of the year, but I know 80,000 is super doable, guys. Like I said, not financial advice. So just go ahead and take this as an additional educational source, like a Google tool. So like I said, guys, really appreciate every one of you. And if you guys are still watching, congratulations. You guys are going to be very successful in this market. But now I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Hopefully everybody has a wonderful start of the week. And we'll get back to, regular videos on Tuesday. Just wanted to go ahead and get those news out there and let everybody know, do not panic. Everything's going to be okay. All right, guys? Till later. See you guys Tuesday.
What is that? It's red and gooey and it did it just move? No, get away from me! Ah!